In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT versus Grammarly. Which one is better? Let's start with what each tool is built to do. ChatGPT is designed for AI-generated content, idea generation, and conversational assistance. Think of it as a creative partner that can help you draft, brainstorm, and explore different ways to say something. Grammarly, on the other hand, specializes in grammar checking, spelling correction, and overall writing clarity. It acts like a vigilant editor, catching mistakes, tightening sentences, and scoring readability so your message lands cleanly. Both improve writing quality, but they serve different primary functions. Your choice really depends on whether you need content creation from scratch or refinement of text you already have. When it comes to writing and content creation, ChatGPT can generate essays, scripts, emails, and creative pieces with ease. It's especially helpful for brainstorming outlines, expanding bullet points into paragraphs, and reshaping tone to match your audience. If you're staring at a blank page, ChatGPT can get you moving and keep you productive on long-form tasks. Grammarly mainly improves existing text rather than creating new content. It shines when you already have a draft and want to polish grammar, fix spelling, streamline sentence structure, and improve clarity without changing your core ideas. Accuracy and language support differ in emphasis. Grammarly provides strong grammar and punctuation accuracy, with clear flags for errors and suggestions that follow established rules. It's great for catching the small things you might miss after reading your own draft 3 times. ChatGPT offers flexible explanations and rewriting options. It can adapt tone, style, and complexity levels, whether you need something more formal, more casual, or more concise. While Grammarly focuses on correctness and readability scoring, ChatGPT focuses on tailoring language to your intent and audience, offering alternative phrasings and deeper explanations when you need them. So, which one should you choose? Pick ChatGPT if your priority is content generation and productivity support, brainstorming ideas, drafting quickly, and exploring multiple versions of a message. Choose Grammarly if you need editing and proofreading assistance, tightening sentences, ensuring correctness, and raising clarity with confidence. In many cases, using both together can significantly improve workflow efficiency. Create or rewrite with ChatGPT, then refine and quality check with Grammarly. Ultimately, the best option depends on your writing goals and what stage of the process you're in. If you want momentum and creativity, start with ChatGPT. If you want precision and polish, lean on Grammarly. And if you want the strongest possible result, combine their strengths to move from idea to final, reader-ready draft.